welcome back. So I posted something on Instagram if you guys wanted to see a boxy charm unboxing or another nail video, and most of you guys, well, almost half and half, said boxy charm. So here it is. So this is what the box looks like, in case you guys don't know. I already opened it, but so far it's what it is. Okay, so when you open it up, it just has this little card that has like some little coupons, and if you open it up, it has like the descriptions of what's in there and how much it usually costs and stuff like that. So this one, it says that it's just a face mask. I was reading it, it says it's just supposed to like brighten and like detox your skin and stuff like that, and this is what it looks like from the inside. It's like a purple mask. And it says that this goes for $38, so that's pretty expensive. And for the boxy charm, you pay $20. There's also this little blush, and this one goes for $11.99, so like $12. I actually never had a blush this color. It's kind of like an orange tone. So yeah, that looks really nice. There's also this little eyebrow cream. So basically, like, it has like this brush, and then you pull out like this other side, and like you dip it in here, and like it like has like the color in there. And then this one goes for $26. So yes, this one actually confused it. I thought it was like a lipstick or a lip gloss, because we've been getting like a lot of lip glosses and lipsticks in the boxy charm, but it's actually a mascara. I really like the brush because it's like really like curved, like really nice. I actually used it this morning, and actually it left my lashes really nice. It's for volume and curl, and this one goes for $24. Yes. And then I feel like this whole year we've been getting eyeshadow palettes or some type of palette like in the boxy charms. This one I really like it. I wish I would do my eyeshadow more often, but let me show you guys. It looks really nice. And when you open it up, these are the colors. This one looks really nice. So does this one. I'm loving this one right here. Well, honestly, this whole palette, mostly like the top ones, they look very beautiful. And then this one goes for $29.99, so basically $30. Okay, so I'm just gonna do like a little bit of swatching for the eyeshadow palette. So here we go. I'm not the best at swatching, so don't judge me.